What is up, guys? It is Inktober, and I'm going to show you how to draw in a croc head. First, I'm going to show you how to draw all the inside of the mouth. Next, I'm going to draw the teeth. Now I'm going to draw the roof in the bottom. Make the big snout. Okay. Not the best. I'm not that good at drawing. Okay, guys. Now, I'm gonna draw something really cool. Well, not that cool, but some people might like it a little. Not that much. It's just the upper layer. I think it makes it a lot nicer with an upper layer. Imagine those going through your arm. Alright, you like it? I like it. Now for the eye. Make a nice big eye. Pupil. I don't know what the eyes look like. They look something like. Nope. Closer. Okay. Something like it. Alright. Now I'm going to draw this. How's it looking? Alright. Now we are going to color it. Okay? Let's start with the teeth. Get any color yellow you like. Or, well, any color you like. You liking it? Alright. Now for the inside. Alligators and crocodiles have really pink inside mouth. Especially alligators. By the way, my favorite animal is a snake. How are you doing? I think mine's going pretty good. Alright, now for the beautiful eyes. Wait, I've got something in the eye. Or should we do orange? I think we should do orange. There. That's not that good. Now for the nice colors. Hold on. How's it looking? Ta-da! You like it? Alright. Make sure to like and subscribe and have some fun on my next video. Goodbye.